You are welcome to another edition of the Market Opening Gong, where we give you updates from the Nigerian capital market. This edition captures the market performance for Wednesday, October 16, 2019. From the Nigerian Stock Exchange, the all-share index closed at 26,472.20 basis points with a market capitalization of 12.886 trillion naira, meaning it depreciated by minus 0.16%. The equities market performance for midweek ended on the red zone as investors lost 20.18 billion naira due to sell pressures persisted in the market. Law Union, Livestock and Cordville were top gainers, while WAPIC, Chams and Sterling Bank were among the top losers. Access Bank, Global Spectrum Energy Services Limited and Zenith Bank were the top players in terms of trade volumes. For the FMDQ OTC exchange, the debt market size closed at 32.38 trillion naira. The NAFEX rate closed at 362 naira 14 kobo to a dollar, while the I and EFX rate opened at 362 naira 19 kobo and closed at 362 naira 36 kobo to a dollar. Looking at the NASD OTC market, the NSI closed at 698.33 basis points with a market capitalization of 501.71 billion naira. Volume of shares traded was 333,920 and the value traded 88.734 million naira in 15 deals executed. You can also check the Nigerian economic indices on the dashboard displaying on the screen. For the highlights from yesterday, market stakeholders discussed deepening financial inclusion at the third edition of the Traders, Investors and Analysts Conference at the Nigerian Stock Exchange. Mr. Jude Chemeka, Divisional Head Business for the Nigerian Stock Exchange, and the President, Institute of Directors, Nigeria, Chief Chris Okunwo, in their separate remarks emphasized the need for an inclusive Nigerian capital market. Also, the First Bank MD CEO Dr. Adeshola Adedunto restated the commitment of the financial institution to deepening financial inclusion in the country through strategic partnerships with fintech firms. This was part of the discourse at the Fintech 3.0 Summit hosted by First Bank. For the key business events to watch for today, the Nigerian British Chamber of Commerce will hold its October 2019 breakfast meeting that will focus on the theme Enshrining a Culture of Good Governance with Professor Fabian Ajeogu of the Society for Corporate Governance as the keynote speaker. And that will be all for this edition of the Market Opening Gong. You can visit our website www.proshaeng.com to get more updates from our news stories and videos. You can also follow our social media platforms showing on the screen for further updates on our market reports. Till we come your way again, thank you for watching and do have a splendid day.